Dear students, today I am going to start a new chapter in EVS, that is lesson 10 water. In this chapter we will know the why water is needed and what are the uses of water and what are the sources of water, what is the process water cycle, and these are things we know in this chapter. So first, there are three. Always I told you this. I discussed these things in the EVS, that is three things is very important for our survival on the earth. That is the first is air, second is water, and third is food. So in this section we have already knew about the air, food, and now today I am start the topic water. So water, without water we cannot live for a long time. If we do not drink water for a long time, we will go to die if we not. So that's why water is very necessary for our life. We cannot live without drinking water for a long time. Only 1, 2, 3 days we can live, but after that it is a very difficult to survive without water on the earth. So all the living things need water to live. And we all we already discussed in class 1, water is used for many purposes. Water is used for cooking, drinking, washing clothes, bathing, washing utensils, cleaning floors of our houses, offices, and watering the plant. And another uses of water is also it is important for other uses, like producing hydroelectricity. In hydroelectricity we produce electricity from the water, and it also helps us to make paper from the wood. Water, without water we cannot make paper from wood. And for agriculture uses, it is most very important for water is very important for our agriculture uses. So these are the different another uses of water which is very important for our life due to and thus water is essential for us and we cannot live without water. Already I have told you. So without water we cannot live for a long time. We can live for 1 day, 2 days, and 3 days, but after that it is a very difficult to live, to survive on the earth. So it is a very water is very essential for our survival on the earth. Like a air, we cannot live for a minute without air. So in this way water is also important. We cannot live, we cannot survive without water for a long time. So that's why it is a essential for our life, for all the living things. So so let us try to understand what are the different sources of water. So from where we get water. So it is important to know. So the main source of water is rain. Rain is main source of water, and it fills the rivers, lakes, ponds, etc. Some of rainwater goes into the soil, and when we dig wells and tube wells we get water from the under the soil. So the main sources of water are rainfall, river, stream, lake, well, tube well. So these are the important sources of water. And how do we get this water? I will tell you later. So फिर again drinking water. Water from rivers, ponds and lakes may not be clean and safe for drinking. So that's why we use we make the water free from germs at the treatment plant, and then it reaches the tap in our homes. And we must drink, always we must drink clean water. Dirty water makes us ill. So first we in the rainy season, especially in the rainy season, it is very important to filter the water or boil the water before drinking. And nowadays we always use Aquaguard, Kent, and water filter, different water filter to clean the water for drinking purposes. So it is a very important. And another part here is the fill in the blanks. The main source of water is rain. We can kill germs by boiling the water. We should not waste water. We should save water. Very only 3% water is useful for us. Only 3% of water. And we should not waste water. At home we get clean water from the tap, and we cannot live without water. Here is given the crossword puzzle. Find out the names of the 5 sources of water from the given crossword and write them below. So you will find out the different sources like a sea, well, pond. And here is given the tick the water which is safe for drinking. So here is the third picture, the fourth one, and fifth is useful for drinking. So think about daily routine and write down how much water we use for. So you will write according to your use, like a drinking, how many glasses of water you used to drink every day, how many buckets of water for bathing and washing and pots the plant. So you will write how much you use for these purposes. Here is the some word meaning, important words. Necessary, आवश्यक, utensil, बर्तने, essential, आवश्यक, जरूरी, सर्वाइवल, जीने के लिए उत्तरजीविता, सोर्सेस, स्रोतें, स्ट्रीम, धारा, ट्रीटमेंट, इलाज, free from germs, the process of free from the germs, and especially visesta. So these are the word meaning, the words which is come in the chapter. An important point should be learned here is the main source of water is rain. Sources of water, rainfall, river, stream, lake, well, etc. Uses of water, drinking, cooking, bathing, washing clothes, cleaning, watering plants, and it is also used for producing hydroelectricity, making paper, and for agriculture uses. And what is a water cycle? It describes how water evaporates from the surface of the earth, rises into the atmosphere, cools, and condenses into the rain or snow in clouds, and again falls to the surface. So these the process on above and in, that is the it's called the water cycle. So I think you will understood you understand the chapter very well. and again you read the chapter and do complete the their exercises. So thank you for watching.